Ready na ba ang rice nyo dyan? Ready nyo na po ang rice nyo. Kasi tingnan nyo naman yung ating ulam for today. Welcome in Kusina ni RC, episode 12. Guys, oh my god, 12. Paano ba 12? Ganun 12. Yes, we are now in our episode 12. And this would be like episode 12. Today is just a simple lang, guys. And easy to find in the Philippines. I mean, very common, again, one of the very common dishes in the Philippines, very common and easy to find any carinderia. And the ingredients are just so simple, of course, to cook, to prepare is so simple. And this is called giniling. Yes. Actually, guys, this is beef and pork giniling. Yan ang recipe natin for today. Ingredients are already prepared, already sliced, already finished. Mag-a-add na lang tayo sa ating pan. Ganun lang kasimple, guys. Ganun lang kasimple ang here in Kusina ni RC. Madami lang chika. Yun lang. Our ingredients are, of course, our main. Mix na siya, guys, kasi sa pack ko to binili. Ground pork and beef. Ayun, meron tayong onions, bell pepper na naka-cubes, at saka onions is naka-cubes na din to. Half lemon lang siya, guys. Pampa-kick of, lemon taste. Ganun. Naka-slice na din ang ating carrots and potatoes. Naka-1 lang sila, guys. And I'm going to put cherry tomatoes. And we have tomato paste. And guys, I will be adding, meron tayo itong quail eggs. Yes! Excited ako kasi meron tayong quail eggs. And of course, garlic, salt and pepper, and oil. So ayun lang naman. Ganun lang naman kasimple ang recipe natin for today. And hindi na tayo magtatagal-tagal-tagal pa. Let's do the cooking. Because what we will do first, guys, is we will going to fry first our potatoes and carrots. Yeah, mainit na siya. Add lang natin yan. Excited ako, guys, kasi we are using our new materials. Yes, ganyan lang, guys. Hanggang a little bit brown again yung carrots and potatoes. Ayun lang siya. So, while waiting, guys, nakapag-subscribe na ba kayo? At bago ba kayo sa ating channel? Guys, for you to be updated, please subscribe na po in our channel, RC Vlogs channel. Just click the subscribe button po. At bell button na din po para kayo ma-notified every time meron tayong new uploads. Welcome in Kusina ni RC. Maraming salamat po sa pag-subscribe. Ayan, guys. I think this is ready. Ibalik lang natin siya sa guys, sa kanyang lagayan. Ito yung maganda yung nasa base. Kita nyo bang nasa base, guys? Medyo may brown-brown siya, no? Yan yung maganda. And then, continue lang natin, guys. Add lang natin yung ating onions. Ang bango. And mag-add tayo ng garlic. Ayan. Painaan ko lang kasi medyo mainit na talaga to. Ilagay ko muna sila sa gilid, guys, kasi mainit na talaga yung pan. Kasi I would like to put this is our tomato paste. Kaya ako siya ginayan, guys, kasi para again, hindi siya madaling masira pag niluluto first. Yung tomato paste, pag na siya, guys, hindi siya madaling masira yung pagkain. So, add together. Ang bango. And, let's add our cherry tomatoes. Ayan, lulutuin na natin yung cherry tomatoes, guys. Yung madurog talaga siya. Yun. Yun ang hinahanap natin. Yun. And then, ilagay na natin yung ating ground pork and beef, guys. Lagay na natin. Uy, madami siya. Madami. And then, mag-add na tayo ng salt. Maliit lang muna, guys, kasi later baka mag-add pa tayo, no? And then, pepper. Ayan. So, ganyan lang siya, guys. And then, takloban. Simmer lang siya ng mga couple of minutes and then we will be back. Okay. Wow, look at this. So, durugin lang natin. Ang ganda ng kulay. Gusto ko kasi guys, pag giniling, ayoko yung may chunky, parang ganon. Gusto ko, talaga, durog talaga yung mga kasi nagdidikit to, diba? Oh, look at this. Hindi pa to tapos, pero it looks so yummy na. Ayan. Mag-squeeze muna tayo ng, guys, lemon. This is optional ha, sa mga may gusto lang. Squeeze lang natin. Pampaano na siya guys, pampawala lansa. Ganon. Ayun, and then we can already add our potatoes and carrots. Together na din ang ating bell pepper. So, ganyan lang ang giniling ni RC. It's very colorful, guys. And actually, guys, it's optional and as you like it. Kasi may mga taong ayaw nito eh. Raisins, diba? Sa mga taong gusto lang naman ng raisins, so maglagay kayo ng raisins. Diba? Kung ayaw nyo, then pineapple. Ganon din, guys. Masarap din yun. And then I'm going to add a little bit more pepper. Ayun lang siya, guys. It's very simple, right? I-ano muna natin siya, guys. Papakuluan muna natin siya ng mga couple of minutes and then we will be back. Okay, guys. We have to try now. Hindi pa natin to na hindi pa natin siya na tikman. Tikman na muna natin. Uy, it looks so good na, no? Sarap nito, guys, pag merong tuyo. Pinapartneran to siya ng tuyo. Pampawala umay, diba? So, oh my God. Okay. Tikman muna natin. Ay, bago natin ilagay yung ating quail eggs. Try. Guys, ang sarap ng lemon. Oh my God. It's so refreshing. It's so refreshing. Maglagay na ako ng konting konti ba? Ayan. And then again, pepper, guys. I love pepper. I love pepper. I love pepper. Yun. Lagyan natin yung quail eggs. Ba't pa ba magtatagal-tagal, diba? Yan. It added na guys. Beautifulness. Beautifulness. Nag-ano ako guys kasi baka madurog ko yung quail eggs. Oh my God. What happened? Why it looks so good? Ang sarap naman eh. Oh my God, guys. Ang sarap naman yan. Uy. Diba? Ay, naku. Sinong hindi magsisay no dyan, diba? Tikman natin siya ulit, guys, kasi naglagay na tayo ng oh my God. Promise, everybody. Ang sarap. Ready na ba ang rice nyo dyan? Ready nyo na po ang rice nyo. Kasi tingnan nyo naman yung ating ulam for today. Diba? Turn off na natin yan, guys. Oh. Nagugutom na ako, guys. I'm hungry now. Kakain na ako, guys. Yan, guys. Kukuha na tayo for our dinner tonight. Uy, may nadurog na Kuha tayo dito sa ilalim. Kasi yung yung sauce nasa ilalim, guys. Ayun. Tapos lagyan natin dito. Ayan na, everybody. Look at this, guys. Meron tayong pang-perfect na partner ng ating giniling. This is the very perfect talaga, guys. Kasi meron akong isang hinog na saba. I was thinking na iprito na lang. Diba? This is a very perfect talaga sa mga giniling. Sayang wala akong coffee. Na kasi, guys, dinner na to, diba? Dinner na. So, let's try naman. Uy, and guys, I will be using with my hands, of course. Because, masarap to. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that, everybody. I'm going to mix it with my hands. Charot na. Sa mga hindi nagkakamay dyan, sorry po. Kain po. Oh my God, guys. Ang social ng giniling, di ba? Try natin with quail eggs. Ayun. Mix talaga, no? Ang sarap. Ang sarap, everybody. Sarap ng saging. Kain na po kayo dyan. Sabayan niyo po si RC. Promise, ang sarap niyang i-partner na. Yung saging. Mas bet ko talaga magkamay, guys. Alam mo yung nagugutom ka lalo? My God. So everybody, ayun na po ang ating menu for today. At sana po kayo ay na-enjoy sa panunood. And guys, please don't forget to like this video. And of course guys, subscribe na din kayo. Thank you po for subscribing. Ingat po tayong lahat. Until in my next vlog everybody, ingat. Cheers!